Welcome to Rapid Car Leasing. In this video, we'll guide you through the complete booking process after you've placed your booking. Let's get started. First, log into your Rapid Car Leasing account. Click on My Booking and check your booking status. Here, you'll see that your insurance is under review. Once it gets approved, you can move on to the next step. After approval, the agreement signing process begins. This is an important step where you'll need to fill in your details and confirm everything carefully. In step 1, you'll provide your basic information. Enter your full name, phone number, and email address. Once done, click Next to continue. In step 2, your rental details will appear. Here, you'll need to provide your SSN number. Enter your driving license number. And add an emergency contact number for safety. Make sure all information is accurate before moving ahead. Now, the agreement form will open. Take a moment to read through the entire document carefully. Check all the options provided. Once you're satisfied, click on Submit to proceed. After submission, a Terms and Conditions pop-up will appear. Read the terms carefully, as they contain important details about your rental. When you're ready, agree to the terms, and click Yes. As soon as your agreement is signed and approved, your booking is confirmed. You are now ready to pick up your car. For full booking information, simply click on the Details button. And that's it. Your Rapid Car Leasing booking is complete, quick, and hassle-free. Thank you for choosing Rapid Car Leasing. We look forward to getting you on the road.